what's up? This is Sanjeet and you're watching Technical Diaries YouTube channel, and I'm sure many of you who are creating a video in YouTube, in the same way you guys are creating a video in Facebook Watch as well, and definitely you guys are posting those videos in your page, whatever you have created in Facebook, and after creating many things, it is happening that getting the exact thumbnail what you want, a catchy thumbnail, because Facebook just giving a random thumbnail from that video only, and for putting the thumbnail whatever you want, you have to do a different process, that you have to open Chrome, and after that open a Facebook in a desktop mode, and after that from there you have to edit that video, and from there you are putting a thumbnail that you want in your video. So it's a quite lengthy process actually. In YouTube we have a different tool that is called the Creator Studio, but now Facebook do have Creator Studio app, and from there we can change the thumbnail, we can replace the thumbnail, we can put a thumbnail, whatever thumbnail we want according to requirement of that video in that video only. So I will tell the exact process how you can do that with the help of that application, because it's a so awaited process that everyone wants, because everyone don't want to go for that lengthy process, desktop mode, Chrome, all these things. In this process you will get thumbnail in your video only in 3 steps from Facebook Creator Studio app. You have to download that, and it will automatically detect your page in which you're working, and from there how you are going to put a thumbnail in your video I will tell onwards. Let's go. Okay guys, now I'm in my another page that is called Shadow Diaries. That's my other page which I'm working in, and I will go to a video in which thumbnail is remaining, so I will put a thumbnail in that video. So this is the video. You can see that thumbnail is not there, my face is there only. So below you can see that 4 buttons, in which second button is for the edit one. So we'll go to the edit one, and left corner in the down you can see thumbnail add. So you have to just click on that, and you will have to select the thumbnail, whatever thumbnail you want to put in your video. So I will put this one because this one is for that video only. So see, this is the thumbnail, and here I have to give a video title, and that's it. So I will put a video title, that decision done. So this is the only process, and we have to save that video, and see, it's updated, and I will come back after refreshing, and I will see that that video is changed now. So this is the video, and this is the thumbnail. So that's the only process what we have to do for putting a thumbnail in Facebook videos. So guys, have you seen that? It's so easy, just in a 3 step. You have to open an app, you have to go into your video, just change the thumbnail, and that's it. Put your thumbnail in your Facebook video just in 3 steps. I'm sure you guys like this video, you guys like this tutorial as well, and it will be helpful for you as well. And if you like that, subscribe the channel, like the video, and do comment if you like this video, because I'm going to put these types of videos, all technical updates, especially phones, in this channel only. So thanks a lot for now.